Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Some more breaking updates coming in at this point in time. Viewers, days after a landmark Supreme Court judgment that effectively set a deadline for the president and the governors to clear bills, we have a very strongly worded statement coming in from Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, who has used quite a strong word for the Indian judiciary. He said that we cannot have a situation where courts direct the president. Listen in. So we are going to play out that reaction of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar for you in just a bit. In fact, he has used very strong words, very harsh words for the judiciary, saying we cannot have a situation wherein the courts direct the president. He also said that Article 142 of the Constitution, which gives the Supreme Court special powers, has become a nuclear missile against democratic forces available to the judiciary 24/7. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, joining us live right now. Pragya, those are extremely strong words used by Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Give us more details, the context, and of course the reaction, if we've got any, on this statement by the Vice President.
So Vice President was speaking to the interns in the parliament today, and in fact he has actually come down very heavily upon the judiciary, saying that I never thought that I will live to see the day. A president has been told, which is an elevated position, she has been told to decide about a bill in a time-bound manner. This is not how judiciary work, and he has also said that judiciary has taken upon itself to legislate, to execute, and also not just that, to act as a super parliament. So everything that parliament decided, you can challenge that in court, that is all right, but parliament is supreme. You do not even consider that, and you do not even respect that. And how can you in fact pass on directions to president? And the problem here is he also taken up a case which we had all seen, and everyone in the nation were very aghast to see that there is money found in a judge's house. So he has also said that you do everything, you take all the powers, but you do not abide by the law of the land. There is no FIR in this case, there is no investigation. Investigation is done by three former judges and three judges bench and a committee, and he is also questioning the legitimacy of that committee. In fact, saying that Constitution only provides a freedom from prosecution only to the president and governors, president and his appointees, which is governors, and it never says that a judiciary can be exempted from that, but you actually practically exempt judiciary for every crime that they do, which is not all right. So these are some strong words coming from Vice President. He holds a constitutional post, and these words also
did refer to Justice Verma's case. This strong remarks by the Vice President, viewers, have also come on the heels of a Supreme Court order in a Tamil Nadu case in which it ruled that Governor R.N. Ravi's decision, in fact, to withhold assent to 10 bills was illegal as well as arbitrary. Pragya, thank you for your